Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when the sound from your earbuds shutters or is intermittent. Firstly, I recommend to check is your earbuds have the latest software version. Open Peats Audio application. Of course, your headphones should be connected with the app, and then it will open to you the headphones menu. If you are in the main menu, just tap at your headphones at the device list, then go to the three lines at the right top, and right here at the second line we have firmware upgrade. Firmware is the same as software, so tap at this line, then click check for updates. It check for updates, and it said that I have the latest software version. If you haven't, at the bottom you will see the button download and install. Tap at this button and wait until this update finished. Do not use your headphones, do not play audio, just wait at the end. To the end. Okay, next step is to check if you have the latest software version for your phone. Go to the settings, so I have it at the general settings, you may have it at the system if you have Android. Software update, check it and update if you haven't. Next is to disable dual connection, because with dual connection you may have connection instability, so you need to also open Peats Audio app. Right here at the right side we have dual device connection. Make sure that it's disabled. If you have it enabled, just tap at the slider and click keep turn off. Now we need to wait these headphones reconnect to your phone. Maybe I will tap on them. Okay, we just disable it. Now check. If it didn't help you, I recommend it to perform first the soft reset and then factory reset. So let's get started with the soft reset. You need to turn off your headphones. At the bottom of your right headphone we have right here all controls. Between and volume control controls we have multifunctional button. Press and hold it until you will see the red LED light. Here we go, we just turn off them. Then press and hold again to turn on them. Now your headphones reconnect to your phone automatically, and there is some trouble sometimes with the Bluetooth devices that they don't want to reconnect automatically. Maybe you will have this problem. Go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list tap at your headphones, and they should reconnect to your phone. Okay, if the factory reset didn't help you, we should perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, firstly you need to connect your headphones to the power. At the top of your right headphone we have the plug with the lightning bolt. Open the plug, and right here we have USB-C port. So you can connect USB-C cable, you can connect it to the power by using the adapter and USB-C cable, or USB-C to USB-C cable to charge it from your phone, or USB-A to USB-C cable to charge it from your PC or another device with USB-A port. Now let's do this. Now the most important is this red LED light, meaning that your headphones are charging, and actually we need this information. After you know that it's charging, press and hold at the multifunctional button until you will see that the LED light blinked white and red. So let's do this. Press and hold. Here we go. Now you can release your finger. Then you need to wait 4 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now we can remove charging cable. Then let's turn on them, so press and hold at the multifunctional button again. Here we go, and now we can reconnect them with the phone. Go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your headphones. Then click Forget this device or Forget device button or Unpair button or Remove button, it depends on Android phone, on all phone. Okay, and then forget device. And you will remove them, because without it, if you try to reconnect them, you tap on them. If you have iOS, it will ask you to remove them, as you can see. And if you have Android, it will show you connection failed. So we need to remove these headphones. Let's do this. Now, if you have Android, you need to click Pair New Device button at the top. But not all Android phones have this button. Maybe you need to do the same as on iOS, just go back and return to the Bluetooth, or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth, or maybe you have refresh button, tap at this button. After factory reset, these headphones enter to prank mode automatically, so you will see them as a device list and you need to tap on them. We just reconnect them with the phone, and let's reconnect them with the app. You need to open Peats Audio application, and then tap at your headphones at the device list. Then wait a bit. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!